Hello, fellow teachers! Good morning sa inyo mula sa Manila, Philippines. Pasensya na kayo, medyo maalog tong PC ko. Or, I mean, camera ko. Nag-decide lang akong mag-vlog for today for the benefit of those who were asking me about my experience during the onboarding meeting sa isang ESL platform called Alright. Sa mga nakapanood na ng first video ko regarding Alright, andun yung guide questions, kung ano-ano yung mga tanong na lalabas, na posibleng lumabas. I'm not saying it's 100%, but at least it could give you an idea kung ano yung posibleng questions na lumabas during the digital interview. But since nandito na tayo sa proseso na nakapasa na kayo doon sa digital interview, i-schedule na niya kayo for onboarding training. Bibigyan kayo ng isang link kung saan ma-access ninyo yung onboarding training module, at doon gagawin ninyo yung series of quizzes coming from short video presentations para maintindihan ninyo yung isasagot ninyo doon sa quizzes. Pero if you were to ask me, basic lang naman yung, I think it is highly logical. The questions there are highly logical. It's only consisting of 6 items if I'm not mistaken. 6 items for studying. Sa totoo lang, kahit hindi nyo mapanood yung video, yung short video, masasagot nyo yun kasi nga highly logical lang siya. But then again, it's better kung mapapanood niyo yung mga video. Kasi yung onboarding meeting, posible kayong matanong galing doon. Pero don't worry, marami po kasing nag-worry katulad ko. Nag-worry kung ano yung mangyayari doon sa onboarding meeting na yon. Yung onboarding meeting po na yon ay may schedule nyo siya right after nung module. Makikita nyo sa dulong-dulo. I'm not sure if I can remember it correctly. Pang number 6 item siya. Mag-i-schedule ka ng onboarding meeting kung may available pa sa calendar ng Alright. And then mag-schedule ka sang-ayon sa gusto mong schedule. And make sure lang na you're scheduling Singapore time or Asia Manila time. Kasi para in sync kayo yung magtuturo sa'yo during the onboarding meeting. Okay, so that onboarding meeting is has become a very hot topic amongst teachers who have been aspiring to become part of Alright company. Para sa akin, huwag po kayo masyadong mag-alala. All you have to do is to review the module. Hindi naman lahat po itatanong sa inyo. At kung may itanong man po sa inyo, halimbawa hindi nyo po masagot, i-remind po nila kayo kung ano yung sagot. It's only a matter of walking you through the canvas. Kung ano ba yung itsura ng canvas, how it works, and based on my assessment, if your computer can handle the canvas. So, wag po kayong masyadong mag-alala. Don't forget the name of the cartoon character or the mascot, which is Charlie the Fox. Ayun lang naman siya, mga teacher. So, wala kayong dapat ipangamba. Itatanong lang din nila kung kailan kayo or kung kailan nyo gusto mag-start. Initially, sabi sa akin, nakakapagbigay sila ng leeway na 3 days kung kailan mo gusto mag-start. So, kung gusto mo ng 3 days after the onboarding meeting, isarado mo muna yung 3 days na yon. Do not keep it open, yung slot na yon, para hindi malagyan. Ang nangyari kasi sa akin, I was promised that they will close the slot But apparently, hindi siya na-close. So, nabigyan ako, sila ang magko-close. Apparently, they weren't able to close it down. So, nabigyan ako ng schedule unexpectedly. Buti na lang nakita ko siya sa email. Yun lang mga teachers. So, good luck to you. Don't worry, you're already settled. Just understand the functions of the canvas and the instructions nung trainer. Don't worry, they're very nice people and they're very professional. Just make sure to hindi naman required during the onboarding meeting, but they will ask you to at least kid fire background. I used to play in background kasi, pero in-advise ako na if I could make my background kid-fi, that'll be great. Manicam, okay naman. Ipapagamit sila. So, walang problema. So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy teaching, folks. Bye-bye.